Today I'm going to show you behind the scenes at my Clickup setup and how I use Clickup to run my business. You're going to get all the details. So let's go.
Hey y'all, I'm Autumn Evans, strategic branding and website designer. I work for service providers and female entrepreneurs who want to elevate their brand to turn heads and open wallets. I'm sharing with you my top tricks and tips for you to do the same. So let's go.
I use ClickUp for everything, and every day I have ClickUp comes up in my browser, and I have ClickUp come up, and I am on my inbox, and this tells me what I have to do for the day. So I've done most of my daily work, but I do have my marketing minutes in here where I go on Facebook and I go to groups and I market in the groups depending on the day, and I'll show you that. So my ClickUp has several spaces in there. I have the Evans Desk and Design. This is where all of my marketing stuff goes, any business ideas, all that stuff. I have my current clients, my prospective clients, my past clients, and dead leads in here. So if we go into Evans Desk and Design, I have my marketing, which you just saw some of those in my inbox because I have stuff to do today. I have my finances. So I do Financial Fridays every Friday. And so I have my notifications in there. I have my templates for ClickUp so that I can easily create templates for the process that I use for my clients. So this is super helpful. I'm going to go through each of these folders so you can see what's in there. I have my analytics. Every month I compare my my stuff with my conversion rates and different things like that. I have my inspiration folder. This is where I will save anything that I think, oh, I really want to do that. And I have my business ideas folder. This is things that I think, ooh, that would be a great service to offer, or I need to revamp this course or this service. And I have my content creation. That is where YouTube is held for like my process. I have my WordPress 101 course information in there. And then I have my themes that I was selling for a little while. So let's get into it. The marketing. So this is how I do my marketing. I have gone through every group that I'm in for business, and I have outlined, I saved the URL, and then on each of these, I have these are recurring tasks. So this group, for example, allows you to post things on Thursdays. And as you can see, I have it recurring on Thursdays. So every Thursday, this group pops up in my inbox and says you need to post. So I've done that for all the groups. Some of the groups have like Mondays and Thursdays. And as you can see, this is like every Friday. These are like every Thursday. So these are all recurring tasks that happen. And so that way, when I go to my inbox every day, they show up right here and I do them. And then I click set to close, and then it pops up and reappears for the next week. So that is a lifesaver by itself because I don't have to keep up with everything. And then I have my Pinterest where I remind myself to do Tailwind stuff in there. But right now I do have a Pinterest VA that's doing that for me. So I don't really have anything in there right now. And then I have some SEO stuff. And then I have my email marketing. So every week when my new video and blog comes out, I have a recurring task in there that tells me to send the email blast. Um, and then I have my finances. And then, like I said, I have Financial Fridays where I do QuickBooks update. And then I have the last Friday of the month or the first Friday of the month is QuickBooks reconciliation. So I go in there, and then I have anything that I have to like renew, like that I have to manually pay, I have that in there. And then I have my templates. So my templates are my favorite thing, and I'm going to show you one real quick. So this is my design in a day service, which runs so smoothly. I love my design in a day service. And so basically, if I have a client, I'll come over here, a prospective client, and I'll add a folder for that client. And then I will add this template in there. So you can create a template by clicking on the dots and say, save as a template. And then you can save it as a new template by giving it a name, or you can overwrite a template. And then you click Save Template. And so when you create that template, if you go to, for example, if I created a new folder for a prospective client, and then I go to that prospective client, and then I say test, and then I can add list from template, and then I can click design in a day, and it will auto populate that list. So then I can, check off that I've done their consultation and that I've sent them an email, and everything is in here, and it runs really smoothly, and I can just check it off and it goes to complete. So, and it comes to my inbox every day. So I'll have what I need to do right here. So I love the template function, and I use that all the time with my clients. And then I have my analytics. Again, I have a monthly spreadsheet that I do, and this is just a recurring task in there that says, hey, you need to do your conversions for the month. And my business ideas, my content creation. So this one is a great one. So I go to my YouTube folder, and as I'm checking off things, so like I've already made the video for this, and I've already made the video for this, I just move it over. And if you can see, I have video made, video edit, keyword research, graphics, video upload. So, and then as I go through the process, I just move them over. And then like once I get to blog posts, I will set the date on it for a due date, and that due date is tomorrow. So that tomorrow it reminds me, oh, I need to do the social media, which actually for the social media post. So tomorrow I will get a reminder to create the social media post for that. And then once I'm done, I just click done. And so this is a good way for me to keep up with it. If you have a team, this is a good way for your team to know where you are in the process. And so once I have my client, I have added a client into prospective clients, it's really easy to just take that client, that test client, and move them to the clients folder, or to move them to past clients, or to move them to dead leads. So that way I always know what's next. And I just love the board feature. So after I do my final follow up and they haven't signed up, I just move them to dead leads, and then sometimes they become an active lead. And so this is how I use Canva. This is how I use ClickUp, and it just saves me so much time. Every day I know exactly what I'm going to do. I can click on my clients folder, and I can see exactly the work I have, my scheduling, and when I can accept new clients. So I hope that this really helped you. If you want more tips just like this, go ahead and like and subscribe, and then you'll get these right to your inbox.